Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be reviewing the overview of purposes for websites. So, we're going to talk all about what kind of goal your website should have. That way, when you're designing and creating it, there is a purpose in mind and you are able to get whatever the goal is completed because we're starting with that main goal or idea of what you want the website to do. So, why does this matter? And just a couple of things to keep in mind. You never want to have a website just to have one. There should always be goals in mind. As you create your website, you will want to keep the end goal in mind. Without a purpose, your website won't help you succeed as great as it could. And that is why it really, really matters. Without a purpose, you're just designing the website or creating one just to create it, and there's no customer journey or pathway for your customer to take to get to that end result that you want them to do. So you want to make sure that your purpose aligns with what you want the website to do. That way, when you're creating it, you know exactly how the website should be done and what you need to do to get them, your customer, to that particular action. So, what are some website purposes? Here are some ideas. So, a website purpose could be maybe to increase sales, maybe generate more leads, showcase your experience, or become an expert, improve communications with your current and potential customers, maybe grow your brand presence, and finally, you can even automate multiple tasks. Now, these are not all of the goals or purposes that you could have for a website, but there are some, and you don't have to choose just one. You could have an overarching purpose to your website, but then also have a page that has an individual goal on it as well. So one website could have multiple purposes. So here is a website where the purpose is to generate more sales. And if we look at the layout here, this call to action says explore our websites. And this takes you directly to the shop page. And if you click on any of the images here, it takes you directly to the product page for that image. We then have here, if they didn't automatically click, let's explore websites, we then show them how it works, which also this page has a ton of call to actions to buy a website here as well. And then we have browse our websites. So all of this is getting them to the end result, which is to take them to the shop to purchase a website. Then on the right side, we have a template or a website that is all about generating leads. So if we see here, there aren't any really call to actions that say like buy now or go to here, do this. We only have one, and it's get started. And this get started takes them to a contact form where they can submit a request to get on a call. So this is not to just generate sales, it's to generate leads. So then you can hop on that call and then close the sale. So we have customer reviews and some more information here. If you were to scroll down on this one, it has a contact form at the very bottom here. Again, we're all pushing them down to request a quote essentially and just to collect leads. Then for this one, it's all about growing a brand presence. Notice there isn't any real call to action or buttons or anything like that. It's just blog posts. This one in particular is all about growing the brand of voice and not necessarily selling anything. But as you see, we do have a shop page here. So again, a website can have multiple purposes, but you want to make sure that you have your overarching purpose, and then a page can have its own purpose as well. And this is a great example of that, since you see we're not pushing anybody to the shop on this particular homepage, but maybe if they get into a blog post about a cute clothing or a cute outfit and maybe they have that outfit in the shop. And so from that blog post that talks about fashion summer, someone might want to buy those glasses and you can redirect them to the shop to purchase the glasses in the article. Then we have generating more leads. So again, this one here, we have learn more, which this could be taking somebody to a checklist or an ebook or a mini training. Then we have some photos here that bring you down to another place where you're able to put a freebie. So another checklist or ebook or mini training. And so this whole template is designed to generate leads by using freebies and opt-ins and things like that. And here, let's take a look at some of the websites they showed in the full form. So again, we have the button here that says explore our websites. Then we can push them to see how it works if they weren't interested in the first call to action. Then we have a browser pre-built website templates. We have some testimonials. We have a lead generator just in case they don't purchase something. Maybe they would like to know a website style quiz or something where we can keep in contact and remind them that we still exist. Then we have the final call to action, which is where you can either click on the websites here or just explore all websites at the bottom. So this purpose is strictly to generate sales. Then again, we have this one where it was just get started and it puts them directly into requesting a quote to set up a call. So customer reviews, what they do, some standout information here. But again, the whole purpose is just to get them to fill out this form. Then we have the Sunkissed where we have learn more. This will go to here, or you could have it go to a freebie if that's something that you want. You can change this to, get your checklist here. Then again, we go down and we have a place where we can get a freebie, a lead magnet, whatever you'd like to call it. You can provide that here. Services where they can learn more, maybe listen to the podcast or YouTube channel, some testimonials about the person. Again, with the free resources and where they can get checklists and a freebie. And again, a freebie and a freebie at the bottom because we want to get the email and generate leads with this website. And here is the brand presence one that we talked about, where the entire goal of this one is just for you to hear the brand voice, learn about whoever this person is. And it's really more of a blog type of website where you can have a website where, again, you can have multiple purposes. So we also have a shop here. So this person would not only blog, but could also sell things in their shop. So this is an example, again, of a 2-bit purpose. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching.